Hi, welcome back. Just wanted to show you another IM2000 hack you can do. As you can see, I have the cable connected to the low pulley, right? And then instead of going behind the bar, I have it going in front of the bar. If you do it that way, when you lift the weight, it's not going to touch that bar at all. I'll lift it a little bit so you can see. So you're good to go there. So if you do end up getting this machine, make sure to put this cable in front of the bar instead of behind the bar. The other thing I wanted to show you, here I have one of the single handle pulleys with the chain and the carabiner. This is from the chain fly kit, and this actually works perfect for side cable raises, which I'm going to show you in a second. I tried doing it with just the cable at the bottom and ended up going up too high, so I learned my lesson. This is the perfect length that you want to have and use if you are going to do any kind of side raises. And if you end up getting that cable fly kit that Ironmaster has on their page, this will be perfect. You'll have a chain that you can use at the top or at the bottom, really for any machine that you have. It doesn't have to be this one, but I'll show you that right now. As you can see in the video, I can have it at a perfect angle at the bottom, and I can bring it up high enough where the weight plate does not touch the bar at all.